Let's make a woven paper mat using recycled paper. This is paper that was thrown away and I cut into strips. So first get 4 strips of paper. On one, put glue at the top and the bottom. Then connect a strip to the top and a strip to the bottom that go out to the side, and glue a strip to those 2 pieces to make a square. It's like a frame. Now we're going to glue a strip right down the middle. And now we'll glue a strip on one side and then a strip on the other side. So you have 3 strips of paper going across the middle of the frame. Now it's time to weave. Our pattern for weaving is under, over, under, over, under. So I go under the first strip, over the next, under, over, under. And because I just went under, now I'm going to do the next strip, over, under, over, under, over. Notice everywhere I go over, I'm putting a little X. So because that last piece was over, under, this one is under, over, under, over, under. And now I change my pattern again. This time I go over, under, over, under, over. So what's the next pattern going to be? I want you to weave all the way to the bottom. So now my strips are too wide for that space that's left. So I'm going to take some scissors and just cut down the middle of it and make it thinner. And for that final strip, my pattern is over, under, over, under, over. And now I have filled up the entire frame with woven strips of paper. And to make sure it stays in place, I'm just going through and I'm gluing the ends to the side of the frame. When you're done weaving, if you have time, you can take more of the recycled pieces of paper, little bits of colored scraps, and add decorations into your mat. I did a little purple butterfly, and then I tried making a little earth with a blue circle and green continents. But if you don't want to cut and glue, you can also just use markers or crayons to draw pictures. And I'm sticking with the theme of Earth. Since we've made this with recycled materials for Earth Day, I'm using images of things that we see in nature. Have fun.